Hi, welcome to Famar. Famar is located at the foot of the Alps, just to the west of Torino, the first capital of Italy. The company is situated just below a beautiful abbey that's sitting on the top of one of the mountains in front of us. And the abbey was built in 986 AD, the Sacra di San Michele, an abbey that is still standing today, and we use it as our symbol because it shows the hard workmanship and the tenacity of the people that work in the region. So come, let me show you Famar, where the magic happens. Come. Famar is part of a larger group, Famar Group, in which we have 5 different companies. We have Famar for inverted vertical lathes, we have Fausto Marinello for single and double spindle horizontal machining centers. We then have Famar Automations, which is part of Famar, that make automatic feeding solutions for our machines, but also directly to customers. So helping customers with their needs of automation. All our machines are made 100% in Famar, inside, internally. We have machines making machines. We have a number of machining centers where we machine all our bed frames. We receive the bed frames from a supplier. They get welded by the supplier and normalized. They then arrive here. We then machine them on these 2 large machining centers, completely in 2 phases. Once they're finished, they go for painting, filling with polymeric cement, and assembly. Apart from these 2 large machines, we have a number of smaller machines where we are machining all the components that go into our machines. So all the components for our main spindles, all the components for our turrets are completely made 100% in Famar, so that we have very good control over the production process of our machines, and we're able to intervene in a timely manner if there is any issue or if we require any modification. Here we have an example of how much we can integrate processes. In this case, we have a line of 7 machines machining truck wheel hubs for a large customer of ours in Sweden who bought 3 lines identical to this one. We're in the assembly phase of the lines. In this case, we have 7 ERGO 500 machines machining the truck hubs with a pallet conveyor that runs through all the machines and brings the pallets back in on the return side of the pallet conveyor. Each machine is identical machines. The line is made up of ERGO 500s, as I said, the ERGO 500 single spindle machine with a diameter 500 millimeter spindle, an A11-inch spindle nose. We also have 3,200 RPMs, 36 kilowatts of power on the main spindle with about 780 Newton meters torque. The main spindle completely built in Famar. In this case, we have a number of ERGO 500s, but we also have 3 ERGO 500 2T machines, so with a double turret. The double turret allowing to change the pitch between the 2 turrets, allowing to machine various different hole sizes at different pitches with our live tool turrets. Also, our live tool turret is built completely in Famar. On these machines, the live tool turrets have up to 8,000 RPMs. We have 22.4 kilowatts of power and 145 Newton meters torque on the live tool. The line is completely integrated. It will be integrated with a loading cell in the front and an unloading cell at the back, 2 robotic cells that will feed the parts onto the line. The line will then obviously convey all the parts through each machine to each operation. Now this machine is a detail of one of the machines of the line. In this case, it's a double turret machine, as you can see over here. We have one turret that is flanged directly to the bed frame, so it's in a fixed position. The other turret is mounted on an additional X1 axis, so it can move and change the pitch between the two turrets. So we do drilling and tapping of 2 holes at the same time, as well as milling operations or drilling operations. All right. Well, all I can say is thank you. Thank you for taking the tour with me to see Famar and Famar Group. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon. Ciao.